Today, let's have a reading practice. Using different toys. Are you ready? Let's begin. Toys are fun to play with. Toys are fun to play with. Some toys can be loud. Some toys can be loud. Some toys can be quiet. Some toys can be quiet. Some toys are soft. Some toys are soft. Some toys are hard. Some toys are hard. Some toys can spin. Some toys can spin. Some toys can roll. Some toys can roll. Some toys are made of wood. Some toys are made of wood. Some toys are made of plastic. Some toys are made of plastic. Some toys are made of metal. Some toys are made of metal. Some toys are tricky. Some toys are tricky. Some toys can dig. Some toys can dig. Some toys can make music. Some toys can make music. Some toys are plain. Some toys are plain. Some toys are colorful. Some toys are colorful. Some toys are for the pool. Some toys are for the pool. Some toys help you count. Some toys help you count. Some toys help you read. Some toys help you read. What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy? What can your toy do? What can your toy do? Describe your toy to a Describe your toy to a friend.